All right, today we're taking a look at this curve corrector kit. Now I think there's a couple of things you're gonna wanna know about this. I'll explain a little bit on how it works and why I think this is such a good pickup. And I just wanna let you know that the brand did send this to me to get my thoughts and let you know my recommendations. So let's get to it. All right, so first things first, this is what the kit is actually gonna look like. And there's gonna be a couple of pieces in here that we're gonna need to correct a curved toenail. So you're gonna have things like your solvent, you're gonna have your glue, you're gonna have your strips, which are the main piece. Then you also have a couple of these Q-tips, and it will also come with a file as well. So the way that this works is, think of it kind of like a nose strip. So if you've got those nose strips where it kind of opens up your pathways by opening the nose, this kind of does that same thing. Now this is actually gonna be the strip that's gonna be on your toenail. Hopefully you can see that good. It's just a small, tiny strip like this. So the very first step we're gonna do is you wanna make sure that you are filing down your toenail with this file. This is going ahead and roughen up the toenail area. You wanna just do this all the way across the toenail. Then we're gonna use the solvent. This is gonna clean off all of that dust and make sure that the area is nice and clean, ready to go. Then we've got our strip right here, and we're gonna add the adhesive right here to one side. So just think of it as kind of like a glue. You're gonna glue one side of it, and that piece is just gonna get pushed down onto the nail, just like at this top photo right here. So you're gonna glue one side of it to one side of the nail, and then you're gonna bend that strip down and kind of cut it right where it's gonna end at the other nail. So just to show you, like this photo right here, now we've got it at the perfect length of the nail across the nail. You're gonna put the glue on the other side, press that glue down, and that's it. Now you have the strip fully installed all the way across the toenail. And as somebody who always has problems with their toenail, especially my big toe curving down and kind of piercing into my skin, this thing is an absolute game changer. I love using this. I've probably gone through 2 or 3 strips of this already since I've gotten this, and I really like it because most of the time, I think a lot of people think you need to go in and cut your toenail, but that's usually not the case. The toenail is actually sitting in here and it's being pressed down into the skin, where all you really need to do is widen and open it up. So again, think of it like a nose strip. You put it across your nose and it opens it up. Same thing with these little strips right here. This is going across your toenail, and it's gonna go ahead and take your toenail from curved down like this up to what it's supposed to be like that, so that it's not digging down into your skin. So if you do have a curved toenail and you've been looking for something to solve it, this is an absolute game changer, and I would highly recommend picking one up.